In this video, we will give a look to the if else statement in PHP. So for this, I'm just going to create one more file here, and to this I'm giving the name if else if and say else dot php. You can give any name of your choice. This is not necessary that you have to give only this name to this, but I will do I'm just going to copy these contents from here, copy it from here, and I'm just going to paste it here. What I'm doing, I'm simply extending this program to demonstrate this if else if and all these things. So what I'm doing, I'm just making little changes to this. I'm just closing this over here, and to this, if marks are greater than equal to I'm not writing here if marks are say less than 50, because here we are going to check more than one condition. So if marks are less than equal to say 50, then I just like to show the result as result is fail. Okay, result is fail. Now I'm just putting another else if condition here, else if here if marks, here we take mark is greater than equal to 50, and we are using AND operator here, and here I write mark we just have used 2 times here, so this is mistake, and here I'm using this as a mark less than 60. Okay, so I'm writing here this as a echo and here I'm just giving him grade C. He is passed with grade C, and simultaneously what I'm doing, I'm copy this content from here to here, Control C, and here I write if marks are greater than equal to 60 and marks are less than 70, marks are less than 70, then I will assign him as the grade B, and simultaneously I will make one more paste over here to marks greater than equal to 70 and less than 80. To him I just wanted to give a grade say B plus. Okay, and in the last one more thing we have to add one to make it 100%. If marks are greater than equal to 80 and less than say 90, then to him I would like to assign as grade A, and if marks are greater than equal to say 90 and less than equal to say 100, then to him I would like to assign as grade A plus. Okay, and here in the last I have to put the else. If no such condition arise over there, it will give us a value echo say invalid data, whatever the you want to put it over here. So here we have done what we have done. We have taken a variable marks over here, and we are checking or making a condition on this mark that if marks are less than 50, then we wanted to assign him as fail. The result is fail. If marks are greater than equal to 50 and less than 60, then the grade we will assign as C, and simultaneously for greater than equal to 60 and less than 70, it will mean 60 to 69, and here 70 to 79, and here 80 to 89, and here 90 to 100. If somebody take marks 90 to 100, then he will be assigned as the grade A, and if we don't find a value in this criteria, then he will say the invalid data is there. So save the changes using Control C, and here I'm just going to make backslash here, and here we see the name of the file as this if else.php, and here we see the grade B is assigned over here. Grade B is assigned just because of the reason the marks are greater than 60. So if marks are greater than 60 and less than 70, the grade B is assigned here. Now if I make this marks equal to say 92, what will happen? Save the changes here, and once again refresh it. Here you will see the grade A plus is assigned. Now what will happen if we assign the marks say equal to 192? Save the changes here, and once again here we go, refresh it. It will say invalid data because of the reason we are checking for the condition less than equal to 50. So we can use the value less than equal to 50, and we are checking for the condition less than equal to 100. If we go beyond 100, it will consider it as invalid data. So what will happen if we put here 0? If we put here the 0 mark, so what will happen? See here the result, it will say result is fail. So what will happen if we use minus 50 here? Save the changes, and here we go, see the result. It's showing that result is fail. And what will happen if we use 150 here? Save the changes, and here we go, refresh it, and it will give us the data that is output as invalid data. So we can put here the value, any value less than 50. Okay, that may be the positive value as well as the negative value. Okay, but we cannot put the value more than 100 in our case. So if we use 100 here, what will happen? It will give us the result. Save the changes, here we go, refresh it, and we see the grade is A plus plus A plus. If we use even 101, so it will not, it will consider it as invalid data, just because of the reason we are checking for the condition less than equal to greater than equal to 52, and to less than equal to 100. So any of the data that we will put more than 100 over here is considered to be as the invalid data. And this is how we can use the multiple if, else if, and else if, and then else condition to evaluate our code, or we write script in PHP. That's all for the now. In the next video we will do something with the nested if condition. So see you there.